when we started off as a content creator, we are mostly alone in our room. A trip like this, all these people who share the same dreams, share the same passion, is just heartwarming.
People are gathered in one place to connect, to get to know something that you haven't experienced before. But because of you connect with that person, I feel like I'm triggered to try those things.
It has been so inspiring to meet other creators from all over Southeast Asia.
Being in Kando with the other creators is like going into an orientation camp. Everyone is at the top of their game and they are all fun people.
Yeah, very excited actually because this is where I get to meet a lot of like-minded individuals. Best thing about it is the energy you get from everyone. It rubs off on you and makes you passionate and energetic, which is really good.
We are here at Sony Kando trip.
I just have so much fun. I mean, my expectations just to like connect with like all the creators, just like keep inspiring myself from like what they're doing.
It's a community where people share openly and it's very unusual. It feels wonderful because I think that's what a community should be.
What I learned the most is from other creators. They helped me shoot some behind the scenes stuff. I helped them shoot some behind the scenes stuff. We shared our gear. So I think that's what it's all about when you're creating. Just being there for each other, helping each other create, and nothing's more fun than that.
This shared energy that is specific to Kando. Everyone shows up, they want to create, they want to get to know everybody. It's a special energy that's here.
I feel like Kando means like togetherness. It's just like so nice like to meet with a lot of like creators like who's like usually behind the cameras.
It gives me an opportunity to do whatever I want and to get it the way I want. And it's so rare as a photographer who's doing commercially.
It really puts you out of your comfort zone in the best way possible. You start to get creative with it, you try things that you wouldn't normally do, and it makes you better as an artist.
I think it's where passion meets creativity. Powerful motion, building new friendships.
It made me realize just how lonely I was before all of this. This just makes my life feel so complete.
It's a real connection. That's what I love about it. It's a very organic process. I don't feel forced.